Oh, I'm back again. I'm still about this Nnamdi Kanu issue. You guys should release Nnamdi Kanu for us. Look at what they are saying about December 2nd, what they are planning in the north, in the southeast. I don't know what it is, but we are telling you, Nigerian government, release that man. Let's see if he will stop all this insurgency in the southeast. This thing is getting too much. You guys are locking him up, and they are still killing in the southeast. Why can't you handle the boats? It's to lock the innocent man and keep him hostage. Whereas the killings in the southeast, you can't do anything about it. Huh? I'm not going to support this anymore. It's a crime to the highest level. Nigerians are taking us for granted. They are taking us for granted. They will lock one person up and bribe the other people so that they will shut up. Nnamdi Kanu is our brother. Nnamdi Kanu is our brother. He's an Igbo man, full-time Igbo man from Umuahia. Release that man for us. Release Nnamdi Kanu for us. Nigerian government, the DSS, release Nnamdi Kanu for us. We are not coming here to cause violence, so we are not being aggressive, but we are telling you, release Nnamdi Kanu for us. If it's protest, we'll do on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. Release Nnamdi Kanu for us. We want that man out. The DSS, you guys are holding him for nothing's sake. The court has said that he's free. Let him be free. Give him his freedom. He's fighting for the same freedom. Why are you guys being so evil and bad? What sort of wickedness is that? Release Nnamdi Kanu for us. We are bringing the warning again. We are telling you guys, release Nnamdi Kanu for us. We don't know what we did wrong, but release Nnamdi Kanu for us. Release that man for us. That is what we want. Release Nnamdi Kanu for us. Tinubu, release Nnamdi Kanu for us. DSS, release Nnamdi Kanu for us. Don't play or you gonna learn.